check it out, guys. Dude Man here. Put in $100. Tried 2 hits. $1 denom, $25 hit. Didn't get anything. I switched it to 10 cents denom, $5 bet. My first bonus. Already got 300 on the board. Got 7 more spins. Dude Man play. Let's go. Let me speed it up for you guys. Oh, we got 400. Oh, I didn't see that. Nice. Here we go. Two more. Ooh. Let's go. You guys like playing this game? I like it every now and then. I think the Dragon Link's a lot nicer to me though. But I've had some really good hits on this Lightning Dollar Link. It's not bad. Not bad for a $100 investment. Last spin. Let's get something good. Alright. 508.90. Stay tuned for more.